What's going on, guys? I want to do a quick review on this Duraflame electric fireplace. This thing is so cool because you can have the illusion of fire on an electric fireplace, which I think is so cool. So right here, this is the on and off button, as you can see. And right here, you can do the flame settings. So there's 5 different flame settings, and then the last one's just like coals. And then right here, you can set whatever temperature. It's the summertime right now, and it's so hot in here, and I can feel this heat pumping out. It does 5,200 BTUs of heat, so it can heat up a 1,000 square foot room or house pretty easily, which is really nice. And then another cool feature is right here, you can set the timer on how long you want it to be on it until it shuts off. It goes from like 30 minutes all the way up to 9 hours. I'm gonna turn this down. And so it does it in 2-degree increments, which is really nice. It's got a glass door, and it's kind of light outside, so you don't get the full effect. But this thing is absolutely incredible in the winter time when you want to pretend that you have a fire and you don't have a real fireplace. This is just so nice. It actually looks like a fireplace. And what's cool is when you set the temperature, once it hits that temperature, it shuts off the heat, but still leaves the fire. So it's really cool that you can just keep having that experience and not have all the heat pumping out. So that's a really cool effect that it has. But overall, I'm really happy with this product. It looks great. It's nice and durable. It's got a glass door. And yeah, it just works like a dream. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I hope this review helped.